Okay, I'm never making this shot in my life. Okay, that's fine.
What?
Nothing. Just looking like a nerd.
That's what I've been telling you.
Go with this looks weird. Oh! Hello, guys. Today. Okay, wait. What am I doing? Oh God, we got the phone here. Okay, now on my camera, right here. No, 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 no! Okay, phone's still fine. This phone's indestructible.
Foreshadowing is a narrative device.
All the most indestructible. Wait,
True.
toss it up there, throw it up there.
But we're going to try and break this phone. Oh, no. This is how to fix a phone.
Foreshadowing is
Ugh. Let's go! Yes! Okay.
Throw it up the slide.
Yeah. Now, obviously, it's not going to break if I just throw it like that. So. I did it! It's all fine.
Oh.
I completely missed. First, okay. Let me try. Let me punch it. Don't even matter. Don't record it. Off camera. I think it still works, right?
Should be fine.
Wireless.
See,
Money Talks Wireless. Your phone not there, sir. Oh.
There, perfectly fine.
Okay, well,
Wireless Bluetooth phone.
wireless.
So it's okay if something starts growing in your phone.
That's
the normal part.
That's what usually happens when you smash it.
Wait, let me do
Okay.
it. Let me do it.
So, anyways, then you just absolutely.
So first, after that, you kind of just wanna.
Okay, let me do it.
And we're back in.
And that's how you put the phone back in. Also, way to do it is you just absolutely. Now the phone is disconnected partially. Oh yeah, no, this is what to do. Okay, so now you see, now you have a mirror. Look at this. You have a mirror.
Yeah.
Do you want to talk to the mirror?
It's not a very good one.
Wait, so what?
Your phone may be a little bit cracked.
Just a little.
Just a little bit. But this is completely fine. For you see,
Don't throw that. Don't throw.
We can completely fix it. With this thing, alright?
Yeah.
See, you have a clear target right here. You kind of just want to lightly throw it, and 100 points right there. Lightly throw it.
Okay.
So, I would say your battery's a little pregnant.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, just a tiny bit. Your buttons, they're overall, this phone is pretty much okay.
But there is one more step.
What should I do?
You just gotta throw it to the ground, grab it, stomp on it,